In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see your tasks in Google Calendar. If you use Google Tasks to keep track of things you need to do, it's really helpful to make sure those tasks are visible inside your calendar. That way you can see your to-dos alongside your schedule and stay more organized throughout the day. The good news is that this is very quick to check, and once you know where everything is, it becomes much easier to manage your tasks directly from Google Calendar. To get started, look over to the left-hand panel in Google Calendar. In the section called My Calendars, find the option labeled Tasks. You'll want to make sure the box next to Tasks has a check mark. If it's already checked, that means your tasks are set to appear in your calendar view. If it isn't checked, simply click it to turn task visibility on. This is the main setting that controls whether your tasks show up on the calendar grid, so it's a good first thing to confirm if you're not seeing them. Next, move your attention to the panel on the right side of the screen. There, click the blue checkmark icon. This opens your full Google Tasks list, which gives you a more complete view of everything you've added. This side panel is useful because it lets you review your tasks in one place without leaving Google Calendar. If you're trying to compare your upcoming schedule with your to-do list, this is a great area to keep open while you work. Once your tasks are visible, you can also interact with them directly from the calendar grid. Just click on any task that appears on your calendar. From there, you'll be able to view the task details, make edits if something needs to be updated, or mark the task as done once you've completed it. This makes Google Calendar especially convenient because you don't have to switch back and forth between different tools just to manage simple task updates. A helpful tip is to remember that if a task doesn't appear where you expect it, the first thing to check is whether the tasks calendar is enabled in the left panel. In many cases, that's the reason tasks seem to be missing. Also, opening the tasks side panel can help you confirm that the task exists and is connected to your calendar view. And that's all there is to it. Once tasks is turned on, the side panel is open, and you know how to click into a task on the calendar, you'll be able to see, manage, and complete your tasks much more easily inside Google Calendar.